welcome to your outer thigh workout. We're gonna get deep into those outer thighs today, make them burn, make them on fire. So we are starting with 1 minute of jacks and side lifts. So you're just gonna follow me. We're doing this together. So 1 minute jacks, 5 side lifts each side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And lift it up, up, 2, 2, 3. Nice playing in the background. We got the sound effects. 5, 5, and jack it out. Get warm. 3, 4, 5, and up, up, 2, 2, 3. So really crunch it. 4, 4, 5, 5, and here we go. Jack it out. And take it up. Lift that leg. Lift and twist. And one more time through. We got lots of sound effects here today outside. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, and all right, right away we're gonna come down to the ground, lay on your side, kind of stack your feet, and you are literally just going to lift that leg as high as you can, straighten, strengthen it, and down. That's it. Lift and straighten. That's it. Keep it nice and straight and strong. That's 8. We're gonna do 3 more sets of 8. That's it. Ballet dancer legs right here. Feel it in your obliques as well. Feeling good. It starts relatively okay, and then it really starts to burn. Ballet dancing strong. That's it. Here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, guys. One more round. I know it's burning. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last round. 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you can, nice outer leg circles. I know you're burning here. Let's get through it. Hang in there with me. 8, 7, 6, 5, whoo! 1 and 8, 7, come on, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Screaming yet? I think so. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoo! That is thighs on fire. All right, now we gotta even it out and get the other side. So, a bit of an interesting position here. So here we go. Lift, lower. That's it. Gets easier. It starts feeling a lot easier on this side, right? That will change. Pairing this with awesome interval workouts and cardio, you will get into the shape of your life. It's awesome when you show your boyfriend or your husband or your significant other these kind of workouts. They think they're so fluffy. They look kind of fluffy and easy when you're watching them, but they are so hard. Get them to try them. I bet you they won't be able to make it through all the reps. 4, 3, 2, 1. And take it up and pulse it up. I know this because my brother loves to make fun of my workout, these kind of workouts. We put him through one. Holy gosh. He looked like he had never worked out in his life, and he's a triathlete. Whew. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Outer leg circles. Hang on to it while your thighs are screaming, glutes are screaming. That's it. Come on, hang with it. We only have 10, 9, now final 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. All right, if you can stand on your legs, and I hope you can, we're going to just shuffle it out with some jacks and side raises for 1 minute, about 1 minute here. You've got this. And then take it side to side. 1, 2, I know that hurts. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. And take it out. 2, 2. And we're just gonna finish by jacking it out before we go into our final round on the ground. Here's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. All right, this time we're coming down to the top of a table position. Of course, you can use a yoga mat or a carpet or whatever. As you can see, I'm showing you, you could really do this anywhere. This is a public park. So you're gonna take your left or right leg, just remember which leg, and I'm sure you won't forget. Take it out straight back and lift it out. That's it. Just pulse it out. Nice, straight and strong, little pulses here. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and outer leg circles. You got this. Hang on to it. Those micro mini muscles that we're just exhausting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Smile. We're not that. We're still here. 4, 3, 2, 1, and take the toe opposite, drop it to the ground, and raise it. Drop and raise. That's it. I know, this is a lot harder than it looks. I used to be skeptical of these kinds of workouts, and I got into them and saw the results when combined with awesome cardio interval training, high intensity training. It really gets in there, changes your body. But it's all in the right formula. That's why we pair the workouts the way that I do in these fitness plans. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right away, left side. Let's finish this off, guys. So take that leg out behind you, extend the leg, and out. Pulse it out. Nice. Keep that leg nice and straight and strong. Beautiful. We are loving this, loving life. You've got 4, 3, 2, 1, and outer leg circles. Take it out. Also getting the abs, the arms are holding your body up. Every exercise works more than what you just think you're working. You gotta do it with power and intensity and focus. You can kind of make any exercise easy, or you can make it hard. It's all what you put into it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 more for 4, 3, 2, 1, and toe. Drop it and lift. Drop it and lift. Feel it in your abs? Yes, I think so. Abs and outer thighs working all together now. We're almost there. Finish line is right in front of us. And here we go for 10, 9, 8. Hang on to it for 5, 4. Last 2, 1, and press it down. Oh, your thighs on fire. I know that mine are. You might want to clap and make sure they're still alive. Hey guys, good job. Awesome job, guys. You can pair that with my inner thigh workout for a double whammy, or one of the other workouts from the fitness plan on Fit, Strong, and Sexy. Or you can add that to, a regular workout, a run or group exercise class at the end of the class. It's a really good way to fine tune and deep tissue toning. So thanks so much. Pat yourself on the back, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys next time.